Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to increase your fan speed on your MSI laptop with Windows 11. So the best way and the fastest way without any software to do that indirectly is to just open settings. There should be pinned in your pin section in your quick access menu by default, and go to system and find power and battery, and set the power mode to best performance, and this will indirectly increase your fan speed or decrease if you set it to best power efficiency or balanced, depending on your preference. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.